Hey, everyone! Welcome back to part 04 of the best 15 foods to burn fat and lose weight. The 9th food is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a type of yogurt that is strained to remove the whey, which makes it thicker and creamier than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. Protein can help you feel full and increase your metabolic rate, while calcium can help you regulate your fat storage and breakdown. Probiotics can help you improve your digestion and gut health, and may also influence your weight and body fat. Studies have shown that consuming yogurt with probiotics can lead to greater weight loss and fat loss than consuming yogurt without probiotics. You can eat Greek yogurt as a snack or dessert, or add it to your smoothies, oatmeal, or granola. Choose plain Greek yogurt and avoid flavored ones that contain added sugar. The 10th food is olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat, as it is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, which have been shown to lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. MUFAs can also help you burn fat and lose weight by improving your insulin sensitivity and reducing your inflammation. Olive oil can also increase your satiety and prevent overeating. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil as part of a Mediterranean diet can lead to greater weight loss and fat loss than following a low-fat diet. You can use olive oil for cooking, baking, or dressing your salads and vegetables. Aim to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day to enjoy its fat-burning benefits. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.